So I just thought I'd talk about the value of gold and um, what is the the true value of gold, or what is the most valuable thing about gold? Because it's valuable on different levels. For example, um, the first the most noticeable thing about gold is that it's valuable to dig up out of the ground and to sell. And a lot of people do that. Even prospecting. For example, here in Tasmania, people they go out and they do prospecting in the areas that we're allowed to, and they go and find a few $100s worth of gold every day or so, and sell it. And it's very fun to do, and it's easy to do. Um, But the other area of value when we're talking about gold is how fast gold increases in value over so many years. And if you get if you dig up $500 worth of gold, or you purchase $500 worth of gold, um, in 40 years, that is worth about $16,000. So that's the actual area of gold, or that's the real amazing thing about gold is that it's not just lucrative to sell. It increases in value over time. Is the most important thing. So I guess what I wanted to say is that if if you're in Tasmania and someone wanted to go prospecting to collect gold, and they wanted to go find $500 worth of gold, would you want the gold, that $500, would you want that left in the ground? Or would you want that $500 worth of gold on your desk, or on a desk in the gold office in Tasmania? Do you want that $500 in the gold office, $500 worth of gold in the gold office, or do you want it left in the ground? And which brings me back to the point where if you have $500 worth of gold in 40 years, it's worth $16,000. 40 years, 40 years, 16,000. So essentially, if if you've got that $500 worth of gold on your desk, it's much better. And that's just a very interesting thing that I wanted to say, is that when you look at the different levels of value to gold, you want to get it out of the ground. You don't care. You don't. You want anybody who wants to get it out of the ground. You want as many prospectors as you can get to get it out of the ground and to get it onto your desk, because it increases in value. So I'd mention that.